Hello, myself Mrs. C.S. Nirali from Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, KKV College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nashik, under course titled Biochemistry, course number FCN 112. Today we will see regarding biosynthesis of nucleotides. It includes introduction, definition, biosynthesis by two pathways, that is de novo and salvage, function, conclusion, as well as references. Coming to introduction, nearly all organisms synthesize purines as well as pyrimidines by de novo, that is from a new source. Many organisms also salvage purines and pyrimidines from diet and degradative pathways. Ribose generate energy, but purine and pyrimidine rings do not. Nucleotide synthesis pathways are good targets for anti-cancer, antimicrobial strategies. Nucleotides are nothing but RNA. Ribonucleic acid is which is a polymer of ribonucleotides. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. Both deoxy and ribonucleotides contain adenine, guanine, and cytosine. Ribonucleotides contain uracil. Deoxyribonucleotides contain thymine. Nitrogenous bases, planar, aromatic, and heterocyclic in nature, derived from purine pyrimidine. Purine, pyrimidine, the ring structures are shown in the figure. Purine is a cyclic ring, whereas pyrimidine is one cyclic ring. Nucleic acid bases, purines includes adenine, guanine. Pyrimidines includes cytosine, thymine, which is nothing but 5-methyl-uracil, as well as uracil. Sugars, pentoses, 5 carbon containing sugars. Numbering of sugars is primed. Coming to definition, nucleotides are the units of nucleic acids and composed of nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, and phosphate group. These are the building blocks of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, involved in energy storage, muscle contraction, active transport, maintenance of ion gradients. Biosynthesis, there are two types of pathways lead to nucleotides, de novo pathways and the salvage pathways. De novo synthesis of nucleotides begins with their metabolic precursor, amino acids, ribose, 5-phosphate, carbon dioxide, and ammonia. Salvage pathways recycle the free bases and nucleosides released from nucleic acid breakdown. Both types of pathways are important in cellular metabolism. Two major routes for nucleotide biosynthesis. Salvage pathway, here activated ribose, that is PRPP plus base, forms nucleotide which results in deoxynitro DNTPase. Whereas de novo pathway, activated ribose, PRPP plus amino acids plus ATP plus CO2 forms this nucleotide which will be converted to DNTPase. Purine nucleotide synthesis includes the following figure. It will be forming from D-ribose 5-phosphate and finally we will be getting inosine monophosphate, that is IMP. Purine salvage pathways, nucleic acid turnover, synthesis, and degradation is an ongoing process in most cells. Salvage pathways collect hypoxanthine and guanine and recombine them with PRPP to form nucleotides in HGPRT reaction. Hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase in L-N-purine synthesis is increased to 100-fold and uric acid is elevated in blood. This increase may be due to PRPP feed-forward activation of de novo pathways. HGPRT converts bases back to nucleotides using PRPP. Salvage pathways are very useful because of the high energy cost for de novo synthesis of nitrogen bases. The salvage pathway for adenine recovery, adenine phosphoribosyl transferase, is not shown. Some commonly used enzymes includes nucleotidases cleave inorganic phosphate from a nucleotide. Nucleoside cleaves the base from a nucleoside. Nucleoside phosphorylase cleaves the base from a nucleoside using inorganic phosphate. Nucleoside kinase adds phosphate to nucleoside. Pyrimidine synthesis, here we will be taking different sources like 2-ATP, HCO3 minus, glutamine, water likewise, and finally we will be getting the UMP. Pyrimidine synthesis. In contrast to appearance, pyrimidines are not synthesized as nucleotides. Rather, the pyrimidine ring is completed before a ribose 5-phosphate is added. Carbamyl phosphate and aspartate are the precursor of the 6 atoms of the pyrimidine ring. Mammals have 2 enzymes for carbamyl phosphate synthesis. Carbamyl phosphate for pyrimidine synthesis is formed by carbamyl phosphate synthetase to CPS2 cytochrome containing enzyme. Biological functions of nucleotides includes building blocks of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, involved in energy storage, muscle contraction, active transport, maintenance of ion gradients, activated intermediates in biosynthesis, UDP, glucose, S-adenosyl methionine, components of coenzyme NAD plus, NADP plus, FAD, FMN and CoA, metabolic regulators, second messengers that is CAMP, CGMP, phosphate donors in signal transduction ATP, regulation of some enzymes via adenylation and uridinylation. From the above discussion, it has been concluded nucleotides are the building blocks of DNA, RNA. This means that nucleotides act as monomers units. Large number of monomer units polymerize to form a polymer RNA and DNA. RNA and DNA are the genetic material that inherits from one generation to other, that is parents to offsprings. For this purpose, reference books are Derringer Principles of Biochemistry by Nelson and Cox, Biochemistry by Satyanarayana Chakrabarty. Thank you for your patience listening.